Now, why do these grinding machine manufacturers supply their machines with a paper bed? Some might argue that even they are not aware. But I think it is something to do with the initial cost. The initial cost or the initial investment of the machine is quite high. Now, if these grinding machine manufacturers, they have to convince their supplier, their customers, that they have to spend another 10%, 20% on a good filtration system, I would bet that about 70% of their customers will shy away from buying their machine. So, I mean, they have to sell their machines, they are not there to sell the filtration system. Hence, they supply the cheapest alternative that is available to them or that they know.